Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial we will learn how to make the configuration of this network with Cisco Packet Tracer in just few minutes. So let's get started. First of all, let's open a new file and select the end devices, 2 laptops, 2 PC desktop, 1 server and 2 switches. Now select the cable and connect the 2 laptops with the switch, the 2 PC with the switch, and also the server. Now let's open the configuration of the laptop and write down the IP address, the subnet mask, and the default gateway. Let's go to the second laptop, open the configuration, let's put ID, IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Now the 2 devices can communicate each other. Let's make a simulation. And we can see that everything is okay. Now let's open the setting of the server and write down the default gateway. Then the DNS server. Go to interface, write the IP address, write also the subnet mask. Switch on, go to DHCP, write down the default gateway, the DNS server, the start IP address, the subnet mask, and maximum number of users, and save it. Now let's open the configuration of the PC and swap on DHCP, the dynamic host. Let's do for both. So this PC can take all the information and the configuration from the server. Let's make a simulation and everything is correct. Let's go on and take 2 routers and connect to the switch and connect each other. Make sure that they are on. Go to the configuration of the router. Switch on the router and go to the configuration to gigabit interface and write down the IP address, the subnet mask, and switch on. Close. Now the lights are turned green. Go to the second one, update the IP address, update the subnet mask, on, close. And now we want to communicate each other. Open the second gigabit interface, update the IP configuration, IP subnet mask, switch on, and close. Open static, update network, write the mask, write the next hop, add, and close. The same for the second router. Go to second gigabit interface, update the IP address, update the mask, turn on, go to static, write the network, write the mask, write the next hop, and add close. And let's try the ping command. Let's see if the laptop can communicate with the server. And I write down ping plus the IP server, the IP of the server. Again, repeat, ping plus the IP of the server, and we will see they can communicate. I want to also see if the laptop can communicate with the other devices, with the two PC. And now on to the second laptop. I want to check with the ping command plus IP address of the server if they can communicate each other. Ping with the IP address of the PC and they can communicate. Let's send information through the server, through the switch and the router, and everything is correct. And the job is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below, subscribe to my YouTube channel and contact me for your next project. Thank you so much.